Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a customer onboarding app using Typeform and Notion, full guide step by step clearly. To build a customer onboarding app using Typeform and Notion, start by creating a Typeform account. Log into your Typeform dashboard and click on Create a Typeform. Choose a template or start from scratch based on your onboarding needs. Add questions that capture essential information from your users. Consider including fields like name, email, company name, and preferences. Utilize various question types, such as multiple choice, short answer, and ratings. Once you've designed your Typeform, navigate to the Connect tab. Here, you will find integration options. Choose Notion from the available integrations. You may need to authenticate your Notion account to enable the connection. After connecting, specify the Notion database where the onboarding responses will be stored. Make sure the fields in Typeform correspond to the columns in your Notion database. Test your Typeform by filling it out with dummy data to ensure all responses are captured. Once satisfied with the test, proceed to the Share tab on Typeform. Copy the link to your Typeform or generate a QR code for easy access. Next, open Notion and create a new database to receive the onboarding data. In this database, set up the properties matching your Typeform questions. Now, return to the Typeform integration settings. Map the Typeform questions to the corresponding Notion properties. After mapping, save the integration settings to finalize the setup. To ensure everything functions correctly, perform a second test by submitting another entry. Check your Notion database to confirm that the new entry appears accurately. You can customize the Notion database to include views for better data management. Create filters or sorts to categorize your incoming onboarding responses. As responses start populating the database, utilize Notion's features for team collaboration. Regularly review the data collected for insights on your onboarding process. Make adjustments to the Typeform as needed based on user feedback. That's how you can build a customer onboarding app using Typeform and Notion efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.